Hey everyone, in today's Twitter video, I want to show you how to use polls inside of Twitter so you could let people vote when you compose a tweet and then see the results. And this works on the mobile app and it works on twitter.com. So in the case of the mobile app, I'm going to go ahead and compose a tweet. So the little plus icon over here, or on twitter.com, just click tweet here to compose your tweet. And instead of typing anything, there's a little icon that looks like a graph right here in the middle. Click that. It's also available in the same location on twitter.com. Now, all you have to do is ask a question, and then underneath that question, you could have multiple choices. By default, it has 2 choices, but you could go ahead and press the plus sign to add more choices to your question and to your poll. So I'm going to fill these choices in here. And there is a character limit for these as well, so make sure you don't go over the character limit on your choices. And then you have poll length. Now, poll length lets you keep this poll live for a certain period of time. So by default, it's 1 day, but you could go ahead and change that here if you like. And then go ahead and click away. And then the last option you have over here is everyone can reply. So you could select that and change the permission. So if only people that follow you should answer this, go ahead and choose that instead. Or you could select people that you mention on this tweet. In this case, I want everybody to reply, and then I'm all set. So now, if I go ahead and press tweet right on top, it's going to show up on my profile just like this, and people could go ahead and click and then choose one of these options to vote. So I just used a different account to log in here, and this is what other people are going to see. So for them to vote, all they have to do is press one of these options, and it's going to show their vote just like that, and it's going to show the results for them as well. And on my profile, I could see the same exact thing, and I could see the results right over here. And based on the time left over here that you see on the bottom, the voting will expire, and then you could see the poll results over here. So that's how you run polls inside of Twitter on the mobile app and on twitter.com. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for easy to follow social media and tech videos, and I'll see you next time.